Would you risk $10,000 if there was a chance it could double? In the world of personal finance, higher returns come with bigger risks. This isn't just theory, let's break down why. Imagine a roller coaster. The faster and higher it goes, the scarier the drops become. It's much like investing in volatile stocks or cryptocurrencies. A common myth is that high returns mean guaranteed wealth, like finding free money under every rock. That's simply not the case. For instance, stocks might give you 10% annual returns on average, but your actual experience can vary wildly from year to year. If you invest $5,000 in a high-risk fund, aiming for 12% returns, it might instead drop by 8% or more in the first year. The key is diversification. Spreading your money across different investments can balance out those risks while still aiming for growth. This isn't financial advice, but general education to help you understand the mechanics behind personal finance decisions. Subscribe and uncover the hidden rules of money that can impact your investment outcomes.